What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sean. This is I'm back again for another video, and this time I have unboxing for you guys, man. This is these two are Urban Outfitters, and then you have Trendy Butler. I'm not gonna do no montages because as you see from the last from my last reaction that I'm in a hotel. And the reason for that being is a pipe busted at my house, so I'll be in the hotel for a while, and you might not get videos all the time from me. Like, I got some reactions that are actually late as hell that I got put, but we here for these unboxings, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it, man. And I think this is when they had their sale. I think it was like, I can't remember. I think it was like $25 off if you spend $100. So I had to hop on. Of course, I know that's all gonna be. So you got your Urban Outfitters receipt. Don't need that. So let's see what's in this package. Okay. Yeah, this package is my Dreamville shirts. I got the Dreamville in black and white. You'll probably see it in I'll probably do a little layover or whatever, and you'll see me wearing them over this. But yeah, man, I got them in all black with the white lettering, and then of course this one I'm holding up is the all white with the black lettering. So I can't remember what I know that I bought a wallet. So I know I need a new wallet. So it's gotta be in, of course it gotta be in this one. But I forgot what else that I bought at the same time. Oh, okay, yeah, I did. Well, the wallet dropped. Yeah, man, I got Herschel Supply wallet, man. I love Herschel Supply. I've had my Herschel, my wallet I'm using right now. Sorry, my wallet I'm using now is Herschel Supply, and I've had that for like 5 or 6 years now. I think even longer than that, but I didn't buy it from Urban Outfitters. I bought it from Jack Threads, and so I felt like it was time to switch up. And plus, it was kind of, it was kind of outdated. You know what I'm saying? Like, me being older, you know what I'm saying? I don't need, tan and polka dot wallet. So I just went for basic, all black. Well, let me go ahead and take that off, and I got the Urban Outfitters in there. But yeah, man, I just went with a basic black. Something simple, you know what I'm saying? I'll be switching out to this, you know what I'm saying? So that's that. Some Levi denim shorts. I can't remember how much I paid for these, but I said, like, I do know that they had a sale going on. Like, if you use like Afterpay, I think if you spend like $100 and you were using Afterpay, I think it was like $25 off. So I think these were already on sale as is. So I think these were like 40 or 30, I think. But yeah, man, just some regular denim, man. Nothing too serious, as it's still hot out here in Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to get some more denim shorts. You know what I'm saying? And now that we got those out the way, now we got the big boy right here, Trendy Butler. I mean, I did a video on them a while back, saying how I didn't too much really like the package, and I was giving it one more time. So from that last time, I suspended my subscription because I was gonna switch over to whatever 5-4 Club is now. I forgot what the name of it is. But, I was going to switch over to Manolo Club. I was going to switch over to them and see how they were for a few months, and then come back and make my decision. I was going to have to do a video on that, of the outfits that I got for a couple months with Manolo Club, and then I was going to come back and say which one I like better in a whole nother video. But I forgot all about that, and because I started doing more reactions. So basically, it went unsuspended, and they sent me a package out. So let's go ahead and get into this package. I don't have a knife. My unboxing knife is actually at the house. Just at the house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to do the best that I can. And so we'll see what this package is hitting on. They got your, trendy butler. How you exchange it or whatever. And our first glance at this shirt, let me see. This shirt ain't too bad, you know what I'm saying? I dig it. Something simple. Something you may not be able to see it because it's light, but I'll go ahead and throw it on for you guys. I throw this whole fit on so you guys. Well, I throw them all on so you can see towards the end of the video. Or if I haven't thrown them up, you know what I'm saying, overlaying this, then it is what it is. I actually kind of, I kind of like these pants. Okay, I see you 5'4". I mean not 5'4", trendy butler. Y'all trying to step it up, man. I see you. These pants are actually kind of dope. You might not, like I said, you might not be able to see it, but it's by 11 pairs. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Oh, and they got the Fast and the Furious in here. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of this video, and also what you thought that I picked up. Let me know what's your favorite item out of all this, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Your boy Sean says I'm out, and let's go ahead and get to these fits.
My denim from Japan and my weed from the Bayside. That it better than they lie. Get better, it takes time. See, I run it like pay time, but backing like 8'5".
I say these women bat they eyes every time I ride by. I keep a bad bitch on my passenger side. She rollin', we stay high. Shot down where I reside. Sippin' pink and smoking purple, boy, these colors keep me high. I keep that rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Turn it, 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 turn it. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. V-I-M-P-ology, but logically be learning these hoes biologies. I'm smoked out, don't bother me. My wallabies, my policy, that's where the handle, bitch, follow me. Rollin' perf, you out of beat, but obviously, well, I'm on my west side, shit, pay me for my penmanship. Bet your bitch remember this 2 gold rings, no championship. My whip game, my wrist game, my bitch game, so vicious. My hair tied, my shirt wide, I think I'm Jimi Hendrix, bang. Rollin' up that black of flame, save money, we got it, man. Shot rap when them choppers clapping, them body snatch, stay wildin', man. My whip game, my wrist game, my bitch game, so vicious. My hair tied, my shirt wide, I think I'm Jimi Hendrix. Women bat they eyes every time I ride by. I keep a bad bitch on my passenger side. She rollin', we stay high. Shot down where I reside. Sippin' pink and smoking purple, boy, these colors keep me high. I keep that rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning. Turn it, 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 turn it. Rubber burning, kush, burning, grinding, keep the world turning.